If you know that the powder in this bag is actually the dust from the mattress that has been collected by Dyson V12 the vacuum cleaner, you would want to watch this video. I believe that when we keep things it lasts, I'm gonna test my V12 Dyson vacuum cleaner that I have invested from the Black Friday deal. The hair screw and the combination attachments seems to be the most suitable two tools that comes together in the box that could help me do this work. We are going to clean my mattress that I've been using for a year and a half without any deep cleaning, and I believe that this Dyson V12 machine could help me do this work. First, we will use the hair screw tool. I have to remove this piece of paper because this is the first time using. I noticed that with the hair screw tool, it adds a little more weight to the handheld. The machine has the running time screen that's showing you the time remaining as well as the mode of using. I'm using the auto mode because this option helps you to optimize the power and the runtime. After running the machine, the strong suction of this V12 vacuum cleaner from Dyson could give me the very quick notification of how much my headboard has collected dust. As you could see, that's a lot. Now then, I switch to the combination attachment. As for the comparison and for me to learn which attachment should help me to do this work the best, it's very noticeable to learn that these combination tools allow me to hold this machine at this angle, and it also gives the lighter weight. However, to compare with the air screw tool, I do feel that for the suction process, the air screw tool gives me such a better feeling to do this work. So I switched back to use the hair screw tool and decide to complete the cleaning on my headboard area. Even though it's heavier, but after you've been using it for a little while, you can adjust and you know how to hold the machines. And as you could see, just for the headboard only, this is such a lot of dust that have been collected. With no hesitation, I quickly jump onto my bed and start running this vacuum cleaner. Dyson V12 vacuum cleaner machine just slowly allow me to learn that they do such a great job. The longer time that I run this machine and slowly doing my work, and I could see from my bare eye in the dustbin that this vacuum cleaner has already sucked a lot of dust from my bed. Oh, look at this. Move to work on the lower part of the mattress. So far, I would say that I don't feel tired. There is no difficulty using the machines, no complication, and it's such an effortless on the work. With this investment for the Black Friday deals that I've got for $399.99, it's such a great investment to see this result. For the first time usage, I'm happy with the result. I'm amazed with this first vacuum cleaner machine I've owned by Dyson, and I'm just being grateful having this deal and invest on this machine. To clean the dustbin is also a very easy process. You just have to pull down this red grip, and that is how you release the dustbin. I prefer to have this plastic bag below so that it's easy for me to collect all the dust and trash without or prevent the dust scattering. It's totally fine for me to find out that the dust remain in the bin and around the release window area, because this is just a rough cleaning to allow you to make more room in the dustbin so that you still can continue using the machine before the deep cleaning. Thank you very much for watching this video. This significant amount of dust really urged me to do the whole apartment cleaning. let's just stick with this V12 vacuum cleaner for the next content. Please subscribe, like, and thumbs up if you like my video. Also leave some comments. I will be very happy to connect with you guys. Bye bye. Thank you.